something, right, guys? Because it's, hey, what's up, buddy?
You look real good. You feel good?
I felt like I had a really good pace at one point, but my bike just keeps sputtering, so it's so annoying.
Yeah, but sometimes your bike's gonna do that at a race. You know?
Yeah.
It's not always gonna be perfect. You look like you practice this a lot. Yeah, you can tell.
I don't think we really pulled up.
Shorty's over here hyping everybody up. He might as well be Andrew Tennant.
I want to get
Caleb Short. Without the accent.
MotoSport.com. Welcome to Game Moto Loretta's Camp, where your reality gets checked.
There's nothing left inside this hollow house of bones we once called home. It's severed. I cut the noose too soon. So maybe we're both getting older. If we don't have much longer, I'll say my dear, you held me up to breathe when I was dying there. Wasted away, please.
The Honda would be fine.
You look good, Kane.
Thank you.
How do you feel?
Not like the greatest, but like pretty good.
I think the only place you could be a little better is rolling in. Sometimes you get a little and you get on the front brake heavy and you break your momentum.
Yeah.
But I know it's hard on 125.
You're welcome. I made the mini bikes do the grease, so you guys always got to do it. So thank you for always doing it.
Did you rev for a side lap or what?
Yeah, I'm going to. I was just talking.
You know that track way too well. You don't even need a side lap.
And then too, man, everybody looked really good. So if you hold on to that, I know a lot of you guys set goals. Jeffrey, we talked about that a little bit, kind of going into this. But don't let your goals. Sometimes we set our goals a little too low. So don't limit yourself. You know what I mean?
He says right? Like, Cooper Webb isn't the fastest guy at the start place all week, but he's the Supercross champion. And so Wrinkle, if you think you're good, and you get overconfident, get to the race, someone's gonna be going faster or someone adapted better. You so do your best. Only worry about you. Race the track. It's easy if you have lap times, but you don't have that here. But you know inside your belly, you feel that was your best. And if you left something on the table, or if you can be better.
We got the 50 group 3 we called, and we watered the track last night, and they haven't seen the track, and hopefully they've done their warm-ups, but probably they just woke up and ate their fruity pebbles, and you know, blew the snot out of their nose, and now they're on the line to go do 20-minute moto on the probably one of the roughest tracks I've seen this year. So best thing about this is, tell the just parents, curb their expectations, because everybody thinks Junior's a hero, and guess what? There's no such thing as a professional 7-year-old. I'll promise you that right now.
Mm-hmm.